I am Jayakumari, working as an assistant professor in A&DS department in VSB College of Engineering Technical Campus, Coimbatore. I am presenting the subject called Problem Solving Python Programming. The topic is file modules and package. What is a file? File is a collection of records. The file stores the related data, information, settings or commands in the secondary storage device like the magnetic disk, magnetic tab, optical disk, flash disk. The file types are divided into two: text file and binary file. Text file. Text file is the sequence of character that can be sequentially processed by a computer in a forward direction. Each line is terminated with the special characters that is called EOL or the end of file character. Binary files stores the data in the binary, that is zeros and ones, and it contains any type of data: PDF, image, Word documents, spreadsheets, zip files, etc. Next is mode-in file. Mode-in file is modules and description, and that is R is a read only, W is mode write, A is only appending, R plus is read and write only. Next is file operation. File operation are divided into four: open a file, reading a file, writing a file, and closing a file. Next is open function. Python built in an open function to get a file object. Open file opens a value, returns something called a file object. File object can return methods and attributes that are used to collect. Syntax is file object equal to open file name mode. Example, fp is equal to open a dot text. Creating a text file. fp is equal to open text read function. Read function contains different methods, and that is divided into three: read method, read line method. Syntax: file name dot read. Example, you can read the method using the fp dot read and read line and read lines. Next is write function. This method is used to add the information or the content to the exiting file. Syntax: file name dot write. Example, fp open a dot text, fp dot write. This is a text. fp dot write to add more lines, fp dot close. And close function, it is used to close a file. Next, syntax: file name dot close. Example, fp open a dot text, fp write. This is a text. fp write to add more lines, fp close. Next is error and expression handling. Error. What is an error? Error is a mistake in Python. Also refers to a bug that is almost always fault of the programmer. The program of finding and eliminating error is called the debugging. The types of error. Types of error are divided into three: syntax error or compile time error, runtime error or logical error. Syntax error. Syntax error or the error which are displayed when the program does the mistakes. When the write a program, when a program has the syntax error, it will be not executed. Next, leaving out of the keyword, leaving out of the symbol such as a colon, comma, bracket, misspelling a keyword, incorrect indection, runtime error. If the error is systematically correct, that is free of a syntax error, it will be run in the Python interpreter. However, a program may execute unexpectedly during the execution if it encounter a running time error. When a program has the runtime error, it will be get executed, but it will be not produce output. That is division by zero. Next, performing an operation on incompatible type using an identifier with the not being defined. Try to access a file within does not exist. Next is logical error. Logical error are the most difficult to fix. They occurs when the program runs without a crashing but produce incorrect result. Using a wrong variable name, inducting a block to the wrong level, using a integer division instead of floating point division, getting operator procedure wrong. Next is expression handling. Expression is an error that happens during execution of a program when an error occurs. Next is mechanism that is used in the expression handling are try expert, try multiple expert, try expert else, tries expression, try expert finally. Next is try expert statement. Try and expert statement are used to handle the runtime error. Syntax: try statement, expert statement. Example: first you can input the value or x and y, and next try is used, and that is try is used and expression error in the division error. Then next it is printed in the division by error. Next is try multiple expert statement. That is expression type must be different from the expert statement. Syntax is try statement, expert error statement, expert error 2 statement, expert error 3 statement. That if you input the x and y value, it will be occurs in, that is the output is given as some division. Next is try multiple expert statement. That is given as an example. X and y are given the input value, and next try using the it is given in the sum and division, it is calculated, and in that time the input must be an error that is divisible by 0. Try expert and else. The else part will be executed only if the try block does not raise the expression. Python will be try to process all the statement inside a try block. If the value error occur, the flow of control I will immediately passes to the expert block, and remaining statement in the try block will be skipped. Next is the syntax. Syntax is try statement, expert statement, else statement. Example: first you input the value x and y, and try and expert 0 and else. Next, rise statement. The rise statement allows the programmer to force the specified expression to occur. Example: rise name error, and that is quotes high here. Next is output is, that is file, it is name error high here. Next, try expert finally. The finally classes is always executed before leaving a try statement, whether an expression has occurred or not. The finally class is not executed on the way of out when the other classes of the try catch is left via a break, continue, and return statement. Next syntax. Try statement, expert statement, finally. Example: first x and y input as given. Next try is used, and else part is try is used, and finally they'll be executing the final classes. Modules in Python. The Python modules in the file that consist of Python, the definition and statement. A module can define a function, classes, and variables. It allows us to logical arrange related code and make the code raise to the understand and use. First one is input statement. Import statement. An input statement is used to import the Python modules in the some Python source file. Syntax is import module 1 and module 2 and to module n. Example: that is first import the math, and next print the math.py. The value of pi is printed. Next, second one is import with remaining. The import of modules by remaining is follows. Next is first is math is executed. The value of pi is it is given as a output. Next, import file name. That is first is import support and import support modules. That is support add that is 2 variables. It having supporting module to integer. It is the 4 next is the support add and the 4 values. It is supported with the 2 real values. Next support add a comma b. That is the calling supporting the modules 2 characters values. Next is the support add, that is calling a add support modules with the two string values. Next is the support display, that is displays the support modules with the string value. Next, it allows the import specify attributes from a modules in the current namespace. Syntax from module name, import name 1, name 2 to name n. Next, you can be supporting the documents in the values. Next, OS module. The OS module in Python provides the function of the interacting with the operating system. To access the modules, have to how to import the OS module in a program. That is the method is used is get CWD. That is the returns the current working directory. Thank you.